Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both devices to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up by picking the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories available at the top, you can tap on all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but definitely not least, hit Receive. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!